Hey everybody, it's Mindy and I've got a package here. So this is from my friend Deb over at Day's Dream. Yeah, Deb at Day's Dream. She had some new things come in. She'd been telling me she was getting them and she got them. And I was like, oh cool. So I was gonna get one, but she sent me one. She sent me two. And then she said, oh, and I had to throw you in something else. And I was like, okay. And then I was looking at this. And so, yeah, thank you, Deb, over at Day's Dream. That was more than I was expecting. A lot more than I was expecting, okay? Let's go through them one at a time. Let's start with what I knew she was getting in her shop. She told me about it, that they were coming, and I have seen them in one other place maybe. They're not real popular yet, but, or not that they're not popular, they're just not being sold many places that I know of yet. They're called, oh come on, what are they called? Does it say it? I saw it somewhere. They have a name, what they're called. Luminous, I don't know, something like, I can't remember what they're called, you guys. Anyhow, they have glow in the dark. Yeah, they come with glow in the dark. So they have regular drills or special drills, and then part of it will glow. Looks like all regular drills. Okay, but part of it's going to glow. Let me show you what the picture is. Look at it. It's this little snowman. I've seen him a lot. He's pretty cute. He's 30 by 30, so it's not huge, but part of it's going to glow. Isn't that going to be fun? All right, so it comes with this type of a tool kit. It's got a Mosfa boat and a pen and wax. Yeah. All right. And then these are regular round drills. Okay. Except some of them glow. All right, cool. So, oh, you can kind of tell right off the bat, I think, what's going to glow. There are 16 colors. Hang on, let me roll it the other way. It wants to not lay flat. That's what it wants to do, not lay flat. Okay, so 16 colors. Look, it has her name on it. Wow, this one has her name. Huh. Okay, legend on both sides. See? 16 colors, picture up here. And I bet you can tell what's going to glow. Right? I think the check marks. Yep, the check marks, number 16 is our glow. So B5200 is going to be our glow. So all the check marks will glow. So it's going to outline his arm, the snow up here, the snowflakes, everything will be the outline. And then through his beard is going to have, and his mustache is going to have glow. A lot of that's going to glow. You guys, that'd be cool. I want to do this one up really quickly. I'm going to do it quick. Okay, let's look at these. This will be fun. I have seen a couple of these on another site somewhere. But I didn't see any like this. I'll just say that. This one's unique. I like this one. So we have some beautiful green aqua colors, a couple of blues, coral, another teal color. That's like that mint green color, just like a light mint. Red, coral, pink, pink. Here's our 5200. We got some 310s, red, and peach. So this is going to be our 5200s that are going to glow. That would be so fun. Okay, I really want to do this. It's small, it's cute. I want to do that. Unless I want to do the other one. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what the other one is. I forget. I forget what the other one is. I'm going to do one of them for sure. Hello, that was my glass. All right. That one's Christmas, man. Christmas. Coming fast. We only have a few months, really. It's already November. We got, less than 2 months. All right. I'm impressed she has her name on them. She must have had these, made for her. I know that some of the stuff she gets, she's, buying a kit from somewhere, but these actually have her name. I'm impressed. Okay, same toolkit, right? Same size again, 30 by 30. 16 colors again. And of course the 5200 that's going to glow again. This one's flowers. Purples and yellows. Isn't that cool? That one's pretty cool. Look at all the check marks. Check mark all through here, up through here. Look at all of them. You look for yourself. See the check marks? Check marks are our glow in the dark. So the leaves are going to glow, the flowers are going to glow. It's not just an outline, it's going throughout the whole painting pretty much. That's cool. That's cool. Wow. These are nifty and they're small. I like that. Easy to do, quick to do. This is going to have beautiful colors. Just beautiful colors. Like I said, we've got purples and blues. Look at the purples and blues. It's like every other. Purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. Black. Then let's go back to the pattern. Purple, blue. Oh, blue. Here's our glow in the dark. Oh, see, our purple was just out of order. Here, let's put it in there. There, purple, blue, purple, blue. Now we have some greens and more blues. How pretty. Pretty, pretty colors. And then our glow in the dark. These are cool. I can't wait to see what they look like when they're done up. Okay, can't wait. So that's what I thought was coming, was those. And then she says, she sends me an email and she's like, well, I couldn't resist. I had to send you one other thing, a Christmas painting. I had to send it to you. It's crystal. I'm like, okay. I'm like, you didn't have to do that. You really didn't. But she did. So you guys, she's got Christmas stuff. She's got, you know, a lot of rhinestone crystal kits. She's got regular round, these luminescent or whatever they're called, glow in the dark. She's got several of those. They're kind of cool. I want to do this. I want to do the Santa. I think I'm gonna do the Santa. So this is the crystal kit she sent. She said she just had to send this one. She said it's beautiful. I'm like, okay, it's beautiful. All right. Okay, look. There's the picture. It looks like Christmas balls in a tree covered with snow. 25 colors. All right. Look at these. Nice. Nice, 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 right? Okay. 50 by 40 for this one. This has her name on it too. Wow, she's getting her name on her stuff now. That's cool. I don't think she had her name on the other ones. I could be mistaken, but I don't think so. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That's nifty. Wow, that's pretty. The red balls. This is like a black and white with a pop of color, right? Except, look, it's got 25 colors. There's our drills. Nice. Here is the toolkit. Oh, you know, this looks like Amy's kits too, right? Wonder if they're from the same places. I don't know. I just don't know. Anyhow. Cool. Nifty. I mean, for a black and white image with red, you wouldn't think there would be 25 colors, but there are. I'm not going to take them all out, but we've got reds and pinks, purple, and then these are all just kinds of grays and champagne colors and ruby reds. And then this is black. This is the resin drills, black. So there's a bunch of those. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Nifty. Okay. And then she sent these along. I had looked at these. I kind of said, wow, you got some pretty, pretty drills. She sells drills. She sells some rhinestones. If I can get it open. Okay. So I found a couple that I was just like, oh man, those are gorgeous. So these are 10, SS10. I think that would be, I hope that's like the regular size of drills, but it's called Flame. Look at the blues and the pinks and the greens. I don't know why I said blue. I don't see blue. I see pinks and greens and yellows. No blue. Lost my mind. Anyhow, pretty, right? Very pretty. All right. And then this one, this is why I said blue, because this one is blue and purple and pink. Nice, very, very pretty. Very pretty. So I hope these will fit in a regular kit, you know, they're the same size. SS10. I'll have to check that out. Okay. Well, that is what she sent me, you guys. And like I said, I can hardly wait to do this little Santa guy and see how he glows. He's going to be so cute. He won't take long. I'm going to try to do him up like pretty quickly. He won't take long at all. He's cute. Cute, cute, cute. I like her name on her stuff now. That's nice. I like that. All right. Thank you again for sending me some stuff to show. I appreciate it. I certainly do. I'll link this stuff below. I think it's all available on her site right now, so you could go get it and check her out. And thank you again for sending me this. I really, really appreciate it. I'm so excited by these little glow-in-the-dark thingies, these little luminesce or whatever they're called. They have a name. I don't remember. Okay, I'm going to go. Now I'm rambling and not making any sense. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I will talk to you later.